Hello, everyone, and welcome to CLI Digital Accessibility Training about how to write in the image description, part 3. So let's ask our questions. Do we need to write in a script from scratch? Of course not. We will have plenty of AI tool to help us to speed up our process. But for using AI, we probably need a good prompt. So in here we have our AI prompt suggestions. Like first of all, we're uploading the images we try to adding describe with, and tell them to. And in the first part, we list out the learning objective and what is the purpose that the images are being used. In the second part, we say we're creating the alt text under 120s, and in the extension description, if we want to specifically talking about certain things, we can include in the extension descriptions. And in the end, we have giving the writing requirement. First of all, maybe we don't need to including the images of picture of in the beginning of description, because the people who using the screen reader already knows the things. We don't need to repeat that, but at least it's necessary. And if we are using some realistic photos, to adding the requirement for be objective for certain element that in the photo is really helpful. And in the third part, if we using the common AI like GPT or Copilot, certain things, their chance those AI will be creating some idea about it for themselves from themselves. So in here we tell them just like only describe what's happening in what is element that in the context, and do not give you any opinion or suggestion based of the visuals. And also we will have 3 third-party AI generation tool for helping us to writing the alt text or giving the alt text as references. Those things, those generated tool is free, and you can use it multiple times. Those tool is usually using for people to generating the images, but I find while doing the work, I find out they'll also can be using in these cases. There will be a demo in the later. We will post the demo of in our app website. Also, if there are some alt text already in the table that you're finding out the things from you're finding out some images from online that people already add alt text with, we can use a developing mode in different browser to find out those alt text. So this is the in here I list out the operation you need to do for finding alt text in Chrome. So yeah, here if you're hover your mouse in the images and the right click, go to the developing mode. Usually it's the last session in the drop down menu, and you will finding out they will highlight the images and also images code actually, and find out this alt eagle, and you will be finding out the alt text here, and this one will be give you like some idea or starting point and to writing your own alt text. And also we have some common resources. First things first, in the Gavin library, they have the alt-text images description training guide, and you can reach out to the libraries for help. And this PowerPoint file will be converted to PDF and available in our CLI website. And you can go to our website and click the link in this PowerPoint to find out all those guidelines. Harvard and Texas Tech, those they also have a pretty good guideline. It's really straight to the point, and showed a lot of good example. And UI/UC is, if you want to have a multiple example and the references, I would suggest use UI/UC. This guideline is also my textbooks while doing the visual when learning how to writing the visual descriptions. So for CLI, we also have a multiple resource you can checking out. First things first, we have the template I mentioned in the common type video. That we have 15 visual type and the template for you to reference. And here in our CLI accessibility website, we have a multiple resource you can reference. We have Canvas accessibility guideline, a lot of training, and also multiple demo for how to add in the alt text in the different software and the platform. And if you really need the one-on-one session, you can connect us by shooting us email or visiting us in person on our office, 7th floor IT tower. We'll be there and schedule appointment with us. Thank everybody's time. This is all about the visual description training.
The Center for Learning Innovation, CLI, is continuously developing resources and guidance to help you make all of your course materials accessible, including PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel files, and even videos. To learn more about digital accessibility and access additional resources, please visit the digital accessibility page on the CLI website. Thank you for taking the time to make your course content more accessible and inclusive for all learners.